My G, bathini mathandos bafo. Ugrand pana kithi.
Yeah.
The best uyazi now. Mfethu, it's a great pleasure mfethu ukuthola on this Durban July.
Hey, bro,
Fresh God.
we are here.
Mfethu.
I want to be fresh. Make me fresh. Make me fresh. You must make me fresh.
No, Kulega, we got this, bro. Yazi, there's a friend of mine mfethu in Waterloo. Insizwa yomZulu. Lwazi igama lakhe.
Yeah.
A few years ago, mfethu, he was doing music and he deep house. Right, it's Nazumeka, and he used to tell me about
What unique group?
Nazumeka, and he used to tell me about your sound. And when we heard Ipagwava, hey, she went crazy. So to me, it's a pleasure. It's actually for him, yeah, but I'm sure once he sees this episode, he's gonna be crazy.
Fucked up, my G. The best. Angkhona ngiyabuya ungawa. Coming back.
Finish up with us Kambans, like away.
Okay, so yes, you're telling me about how Durban is so fresh for you, Buff.
Durban is the one.
So,
It's the one. Just
Yo,
need
he's
to-
lying.
You just need to like network with people and get close to people, you know,
sure,
and just move, bro.
sure.
That's my wish, like to know so many people and like build connection
Sure.
and stuff. But so
that
far,
that sounds great.
yeah.
So we know and understand which event you're from Joburg. So specifically, Ukulege and Ukulisoba, CP strategy more hamba that you representing.
Aish, abangibonayo bayazi ne.
Sure.
Mara like originally Thando, Mathandos, Madonsela.
How madonse lo muntu buka yeke ingane yathula madonse
Khona lapho. Yeah. I'm
just
just a young boy from the East Rand, which is where Gauteng,
sure,
Springs. Hey, yabo mabangifonela manje.
sure.
From the East Rand, Gauteng. Ikasla khona engibuya kulo. I'm a hood boy actually.
Sure.
I ngibuya emasababsini.
Sure.
Ntwana
Speaking about
sekasi.
that, ukuthi you love the hood. No, bring it on, bro.
Yeah. The hood for me, it teaches a lot. For me, it teaches a lot for you to be like a man and stuff. You learn so many things. You meet people ongacabanga ukuthi bangaba ekasi and stuff like that. Kunamahotman asahlala ekasi a deserve ukuhlala emasababsini yabo. So ngisurrounded kakhulu kubo yabo. Bangithatha la ngikhona. Maka I'm so happy Joe. And ngiyafisa wonke umuntu asekasi yabo kulento ayenzayo yaphumelela.
Sure.
Because ikasi khona amakasi la kunzima khona njalo.
Speaking of ubunzima bamakasi, there's a lot of things that you're growing up, the young person in this era. You can be attracted to a lot of disadvantages.
Exactly.
We are coming.
No, Shaman.
Ekisashapa interview mo.
Okay. So there's a lot of things that can just put you in a situation whereby Subambega in the streets, drugs. So what helped you to shape your direction of life into understanding, which this is what I want and this is what I'm going for?
Music saved me.
Sure.
Music saved me a lot.
Sure.
And I thank my parents for teaching me the right thing. Mina music ngifunde ekhaya. So that's why ngikhuluma nje ngibonga nje abazali bami bangifundisa into right. Ngidibanile nje nabantu ababhedayo nje abayenza zonke lezi zinto ezibhedayo. Mara mina ngibonga nje abazali bami.
Sure.
God.
Sure.
Ukuthi ngiphumelele la ngikhona izinto engiyenza.
Sure, no, but
So yeah, aish.
it sounds so inspiring ngendlela okhuluma ngayo, because at the end of the day iy'mfundiso zabazali asikaze zisise ehlathini. So what you're speaking of is evidence.
Exactly.
Evidence nje to its truest form.
Ngiyafisa ukuthi wonke umzali vele afundise umntwana wakhe into right.
Sure.
Ngibeke stage ngisawulo.
Sure.
Because ngila ngikhona ngenxa yomzali.
So who inspired you to go to this roots yamapiano because I'm sure ukuthi ukhule nge-era whereby
Bewangekho amapiano,
amapiano. So ekukhuleni kwakho, who inspired you ukuthi no, you gotta do this, yabo? Who told you about that? Ukuthi ekuse shy piano mfethu la into ehamba?
I think that was back in high school,
So
2017, 18.
so
I've mina ngumuntu wabantu, so
Sure.
umuntu engizoconnecta naye every day. Naye unento enje.
so
So mangizoconnecta naye uyangi-introduce kwinto eyenza ngithi oh khona into ebathi amapiano.
sure
And me, I'm a person othanda noma yini emnandi.
sure.
So I was introduced by friends from high school.
That's
Boys,
coming,
there's this kind of piano genre thing emnandi.
that's coming around.
Yeah. Join into so why so hamba mnandi. Mina bengumuntu engizithandela nje house.
Sure.
Futhi I'm not even picky. Into emnandi nje hayi.
Sure.
Siyadu.
Uhamba nayo.
Yeah, siyadu.
No,
Nje sengibone nje ukujoin ipiano because that's why ngithanda into enje.
sure.
Yeah, into enje evelayo nje I support it like you guys.
Sure.
It's the first time meeting you guys and I'm very much impressed.
Sure,
I'm
no,
willing
sure.
I'm willing to support and do the
Sure.
best. I
Sure.
understand.
Sure.
That's what I did ngepiano.
Sure.
Ngibona into enja angena ngasupport abantu abayenzayo nami ngazenza.
What part of it?
Yeah.
So how did you get to it? I just got prepared so shine a clip and then. So speaking of piano, how you were introduced, and then boom, Faisal, Bagua. How did that song come about in Faisal, and for you to just meet pioneers like major league DJs?
Yeah.
How did that come about?
Hey, these days, dog, social media is very powerful, yo.
Sure.
Social media powerful bafethu. Powerful because
Sure.
ngasho ukuthi nami ngisevile in a certain point
Yeah.
because other brews would not even know me ngepower ye-social media, ngapower abanye abantu bapost i-craft yami.
Sure.
So ukuhlangana nama-twins and stuff like that, it was into enakanjalo.
Sure.
Posta kakhulu.
Sure.
Yazi mawulambile mfethu,
Sure.
uya all out,
Sure. Yeah, all
uzoposta
out,
ukuthi
yeah.
wonke umuntu akubone.
Sure.
So that's how I got the influence ukuthi ngikhona ukusebenza nama-artist yabo amakhulu ngafaka iy'ngoma zabo.
Sure.
So yeah, njalo.
No, so that sounds great. You've been working on projects, so I see you recently dropped an EP. So with the music as a business, how would you say Guti when this is how you understand the game and this is what you believe Guti is gonna take someone who's in the hood, as we're speaking about Ilogish.
Yeah.
What's gonna elevate umuntu osayintwana oselokishini who just wants to grow and spread their wings in the industry?
So I'm just gonna take my perspective.
That's what we
Ngimtshele
sure.
intombi yami, ngitshele.
Sure.
Me umuntu engamtshela umuntu ofuna ukuphusha is like, dog, don't give up, bruh. Like make sure ukuthi uma ufuna ukusebenza nabo Kabza example labo Khori, make sure mhlambe you use your social media platform to promote your stuff. Even that one follower, bruh, it means a lot. Mina ngibelieve kanja, that one follower means a lot. Push, try connecting with other people. Ungasabi, too forced. Ile game vele siya forced. Avuna ku forced, bruh. Into nami engiyenzile, forced nje yami. Shaya into yakho and stick to your own lane. Whatever you wanna do, stick to it. Ungachangeiswa ukuthi manje omunye umuntu wenze into obuyaduma nawe usofuna ukungena. Shaya into yakho isikhathi sakho so.
Yes. Oh, it's so amazing. So Sampete, you're gonna be on the red carpet.
Hey, bruh.
How does it feel? You said it's the first time Uba with happened to live.
Yeah, it's the first time, guys.
Issue.
July, welcome Matandos from the East End.
Issue. What it do?
Yeah.
What it do, my
Yeah,
nigga?
first time, July.
Sure.
I'm willing just to connect with people.
Sure.
Build connection next time, Spanish. But so far, I'm happy. I've built my connection.
Sure.
It's just moving forward.
Moving forward from here. So, Mpetsi, trip check tomorrow. Samba ganjani. What are the colors you're gonna
It's stress.
be rocking?
Oh, the pressure. The pressure's too much.
Sure.
Pressure too much. Mara, mina nje ngisivivela mina ngizoba yimi. I don't even care ukuthi abantu bazothina ngithola.
Sure.
That's what I was saying earlier
Sure.
on. Iba uwe shaya into yakho ungabi nendaba nomuntu.
Sure ukuthi uzothi.
Mara, fresh.
Manzi esimhlabeni ngicela wabe ngiye good one. No, my chief too. It's been a great pleasure to meet you and just give you this greatest haircuts like away, my chief. Yabona mfethu and to just talk with you.
Ungenze ngibe muhle please.
Ngiyakholwa.
Hey ngiyohlangana nabantu nawe uyazi.
Ukhululeke.
Fune nami ngizirepresent as me.
Sure. Ayixoxise.
Bangibona.
Ayixoxise.
Yeah.
So what's next? I believe we're getting you halfway through the year. So what can our people expect from Umathandos?
I want to drop. I'm going to drop.
Sure.
Actually, I was meaning to drop, but because I'm a company and stuff, I'm not called to drop, but there's music out there. I just need to publish it. Understand? I'm going to drop a single in a mixtape now. I think this month.
Sure. Sure.
Because ule game bayakhohlwa bazokhohlwa.
Sure.
So I need to be consistent. That's what I learned.
Sure.
Yeah. Deliver just good music.
Yeah, that sounds so refreshing and that's raising the confidence.
Yes.
People are gonna be getting the nicest thing.
Mina
Sure, I'll miss
mina
you. No, ngiyakwazi ayixoxise. Just one thing, Pethu. Right now on the industry, sibona just nje a shift, yabo. Not that it's major, but I'd like to speak about it because I've been speaking about it with a lot of people about my space. Like there's this new sound that's dominating. Three step, ne?
Yeah.
3-step, like boom, like it's cool. So I'm not ngiyaxolisa about
Not familiar
no,
and stuff, yeah.
but ngisho ukuthi kunale sound there that has been like Mpethu Thukzin, right?
Sure.
Thukzin dlala Thukzin.
Basgo.
Sure. So Mpethu Thukzin Mpethu has been killing that sound. And manje isiyakhula to like even to like we're seeing new, like not new artists, but artists who have been in the game, like who were dominating a different genre. So they share the same sound. So when Amathandos, do you see yourself also doing something on a 3-step like the Sandesha or Jesuits, manje, no Tukutela? Do you see yourself doing that sound? Can people expect something like that from you?
You know what people can expect from me, and
Sure.
I'm willing to tell people
Sure.
like what's by expecting from
Sure.
me. I'm a versatile person.
Sure.
Anything. No my boss. No my like you're versatile. I can hop on anything and so on. So angifuni indaba ukuthembisa abantu into engeke bese ngiyayenza. Mara abantu babafune ngiyenze into abayifunayo ngizoyenza because I'm versatile. I'm willing to do anything. Understand me? I'm a versatile person. Yeah, like I can work with anyone as long as I understand. I'm willing. So 3-step for me, it's a nice genre.
Sure.
I would like angithanda and stuff like that. I'm willing to work with people. Yabo abayisipana ngayo.
Sure. Asesiyaqeda manje, ne?
So
Siyaqeda, awusekezile. Sekezile. So 5 bamaseke shaya ifoni. Asesiqedile bafana.
Bona muzongenza.
Sure, yeah, mele ngiqhubeke manje.
Oh, mina sensiqedile
No, hayi lutho.
check.
Serious?
Yeah. Oh, fuck it nje ukuthi usheshe.
Sure.
Hayi phela siyedenge ngabona sike ba.
Hey dog.
Abantu bami iqinile ke.
Isikhathi sakho sesiyakushaya, ne?
Hayi, akunasikhathi
Oh,
manje.
sure. Sindawo, yeah.
Hayi, asinasikhathi basi. Usemithi usho usemithi.
Simithi simjiyele.
Konje bande out here. Yeah, kunda.
Mathandu is the famous guy. Into yebhaka la. Uzoplay khona. Mhlanje ibhaka uyibhalile.
Ikuzonyiwe.
Bakubhalise umdlalo.
Uyamazi Mathandusi.
Hey mfethu azi bengisurprise kanjani? Hey bengisurprise. Like bengacabanga ukuthi bazongibona, you understand? Ngidayo impindamba.
Baza mose ngimhlangana nabo kuqala la. Bese saluthana nje phethe yabo kamnandi.
Mina njalo nje ami. Angiprethendelana abantu.
Ngicabanga ukuthi understandela sekebukisisa kahle nje bangisele phansi. Ngiyashisa
Lo ngi-approach akho.
Oh yeah. Simbethela eThekwini uMathandusi.
Sizobona bese sikhamba.
Ah kunjani?